Hello everyone, my name is Ann. Welcome to the Nail Tip Show. I'm at AII booth, which is American International Industries. And today I have a special guest. She will introduce us some new products that they have at the show. So let's welcome Katie. Hi Katie.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm great, thank you so much.
So what can you tell us about some of the products you have here today?
Sure, absolutely. So I am the Associate Brand Manager for IBD. IBD is a professional nail care brand. We've been in the business for over 4 decades. And I would say that we're best known for our expansive product offering. We cover everything from acrylic to gel to lacquer and all of the accessories you would need to create any of those types of looks. Our biggest nail segment at the moment is gel, specifically hard gel, which is used to create extension on the nail. It's different from acrylic because it's a gel formula and it's UV LED curable. So that's one of our biggest segments currently. Most of our gels, our best known products are in pots, but we're going to be moving away from that to kind of start offering our customers some different options for the way that gels are applied. So I'm really excited. Our first big launch in the next upcoming 6 months is building gel, which you can see right here. It is a builder gel in a bottle brush application, meaning it can be brushed directly onto the nail versus scooped out of a pot and applied and sculpted. It's great for people of all skill levels because we're also used to the bottle brush application method. It doesn't take a lot of practice to kind of get the hang of it. Even I can do it. And so it's really exciting for us. It's a new innovative thing that we're going to be doing. We're offering it in 5 shades, a clear shade, which you can leave as clear or you can paint over with gel polish, 2 pink shades, and then 2 white shades. The white shades are unique to IBD. They can be used to create a perfect French tip, and the pink shades can be used to create a great nude. And it really mirrors the existing gel palette that we have. We're really well known for those core colors, clear pinks and whites, to create a perfect look. So we're excited about it. It'll be launching in November. It's LED UV curable, it's soak off, and it has a great new top coat that can also be used on our existing gel product line. Not gel polish, just the pot gels, the hard gels. And that has better adhesion to the nail, less heat spikes, not shrinking, no yellowing.
Oh, that's so cool. And I like it in a bottle too because like you said, it's really catered to inexperienced or somebody new to try, want to test the builder gel.
Yeah,
they have to.
New, and I think it'll empower more people to be able to do it in a salon environment, which is great. Sometimes things with higher skill levels can feel alienating when you're first starting out in your career. So it's something that people who are newer to the category can get really excited about.
And what else you have here today?
Well, on the topic of hard gels, we also have control gel, pardon my reach. So this is a hybrid product that combines the efficiencies of acrylic and hard gels into this tube formula. It's unique, it's different, right? We're not scooping it out of the pot, we're not brushing it on, you're squeezing it out, leveling it on the nail, and we called it control gel because you truly have complete control of the application. It comes out really smooth and slow, so as the technician, you have the opportunity to truly sculpt and mold the look that you're going for. Also a great product, I think, for someone who's starting out or in the beginning phase of their career because it
gives you time.
Exactly. It's not time prohibitive. You're able to really take your time with it and get comfortable. So this is also in a similar color palette to our traditional gels, clear, white, pink, and then we have a natural color as well. And those can be left alone or have gel polish applied over them.
And it's soakable as well?
It is, yes, and same LED UV curable. Yeah.
So let's moving on, and I know you can have a new packaging with the dipping system. Yeah.
Are you?
Yes. I think it's really cool.
Thank
So can you tell us more about it?
Sure. So we'll be launching Dip and Sculpt after the first of the year. It's our new dip powder for IBD. It's a 2-in-1 formula, meaning that it can be used as a traditional dip system and then also as an acrylic with monomer. We'll be launching with our top 72 shades from our existing line, and everything will be matching in both gel and lacquer. So it'll be 3 options available in your favorite IBD shades, and then as next year progresses, we'll be updating the rest of the color category.
So this is for dip and sculpt as well. I love that.
Yeah, thanks. We're really excited about it. It's new for us, but I know we're not new to the market. However, we're new with the formula and our perfect color matching. So we're really excited to bring it to people.
And I want to share with you, I love this size. Right, because it's common color that we use in the salon too.
So this is our French shelf. We'll be offering our classic French shades in the 2-ounce and then the larger 4-ounce, which will offer salons more opportunities to use more product as they're going. So
yes.
I think it'll be great. And then also, if anyone who's familiar, we sell IBD Duos, which is our matching gel and lacquer polishes. And we're going to be transitioning to this new acetate box. It'll start with these French shades, and then eventually all of them will be moved over. And I know salon owners and distributors are really excited about that. So
And again, when are these available?
January.
So that is it, guys. And if they want to know more information about the products or when is it launching, where can they go to find you guys?
Definitely our website, ibdbeauty.com, and our Instagram, ibdbeauty.
Well, follow them and make sure to follow us as well on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Again, thank you, Katie, so much for all these informations.
So nice of you to have us. Hopefully we'll see you again soon.
Yes, definitely. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you soon.